Hey guys, so what do you think about this lighting for your YouTube videos? Not impressive, right? How about this on your budget, on your little space? Let's get started. Lighting plays the most important role for any kind of photography, videography, and cinematography. It doesn't matter if you're into YouTube or professional filmmaking. Lighting can completely change the look, feel, and the quality. Even if you're using an expensive camera with poor lighting, that will not look good in the end results, right? So, lighting is really important to convey your emotions. So, now let's have a look at how you can set up this shot for today's video. As a first step, let's make everything dark, a black dark canvas like this, then add the lights one by one. So the first and most important light is key light. Key light is a bright source on subject's face. Here it's me. So for this I'm using Godox SL60W. Amazing light, budget friendly. I pretty much use this light for all my YouTube videos. I have added the link in the description below. Kindly go ahead and check it out. But the main point here is how you place them. I placed my key light at 45-degree angle, a bit top down approach so that we can have a shadowless flattering look on my face. It looked really good on the camera. One of the key points for cinematic light is the softer the light is, the better it looks on the camera. Right now you're looking at the soft light. For this I'm using a white diffuser which comes along with my light. You can use any kind of transparent white paper, a white cloth to diffuse and have a soft light. Also, I'm using the honeycomb grid to have this soft light directional towards my face to avoid the light spilling all over the background. Now, let me show the difference between the hard light and the soft light. If you are able to follow these steps and got this look, you are 50% done. So now, let's light the background. Basically, you can use any background color you want, but I would recommend the colors like blue and orange, teal and orange, blue and yellow, and kind of an aqua shades with orange or red. These colors look really nice on the camera because they are exactly right opposite to each other's on the color spectrum. So they complement each other's well. So in the background, I'm having orange color. For this, I'm using an RGB light, Ulanzi BL110. It's a small RGB tube light, yet provides wonderful RGB colors. Most important thing is it's magnetic. Cool, right? I have added the link in the description below for all these products. If you want, go ahead and check it out. So now we are done with the background. Now you can notice a nice separation of the subject from the background. So now let's talk about this. So this light is called a rim light, a backlight, a hair light, anything you want. Basically, it's used to separate the subject from its background. So using this light will light up the edge of your face, not the entire darker side of the face. For this, I'm using an RGB light, Godox M1, small yet very powerful. If you are using the soft light from your key light source, make this rim light little harder to have a nice contrast look. So this pretty much covers everything, but if you want to add more perfection, then the practical lights. The practical lights are visually seen in the frame like this. They help the frame look even more cinematic and better. So basically you can use a floor lamp like this in the background or a table light or vintage bulb, anything as a filler. As a conclusion, let me put everything together, set up the key light, have a colored background, add a rim light to have the nice separation, and with the help of some practical lights, you can change the look from this to this. So if you find this video helpful, hit the like button and also let me know what kind of an RGB light you are using for your YouTube videos. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Tech Goku to get notified on our future videos. So I will catch up with you all in the next one. Till then, bye.